Anyway, we just finished up the mounting of the multi-point access points on the silo. So we're just taking the lift back, thawing out a little bit. Got chilly, the wind picked up, but so far so good. About a quarter of a mile away from the silo now, so this is where one of the shots is going to go to for the Wi-Fi shot. So we got to hit that house there. It's hard to see, but and then we got to hit. There's a lab way over there. We got this guy mounted. Chance is wiring things up. All right, we got Chance Ellis here from Vytelis Inc. He's the man of the hour here.
Yeah.
Can you explain what he's doing?
Chemung Mine in Mitchells, Virginia. Doing a Wi-Fi shot for them, making sure they can get all of their networking needs from building to building on their campus. A little far apart to do fiber and a little expensive, so we're doing Wi-Fi shots. So we're basically at the hub in the center of the complex, shooting off to the main office building, off to their lab, and then back on the other side is their scale house that we need to hit shot to. So we're hanging two radios to do a point-to-multi-point connection using Ubiquiti 5 gigahertz radios to make the shot.
How did this project start?
Was notified or contacted by the mine to request information on doing some surveillance cameras to do the install because they've been having some sticky fingers with staff and some theft on the part of some major theft, hundreds of thousands of dollars of equipment missing. And so they contacted Vytelis to see if we could put a solution in for them, and so we recommended some things, some IP cameras that they can access remotely. We'll do 4K and 1080p video to monitor their environment. But their network needed to be upgraded in order to support the video. It wasn't quite strong enough to handle all the bandwidth, so we had to put in this new Wi-Fi shot between buildings to upgrade. They have a current 900 megahertz system, which just wasn't enough, so we're going to do a 5 gigahertz system to handle the bandwidth and give them some better connectivity.
Well, what's been the most challenging thing about this project?
Just the industrial nature of it, just working around all the equipment and the operators, and being up high and having to work around getting the devices where they need to be in order to make the connectivity. That's been the biggest thing.
Yeah. Overcoming every single one of them.
Yeah, so far.
Like a boss.
That's right.
Awesome. Let's get to work.